Remove the remote from packaging and ensure it's fully charged before attempting installation. To start the installation, remove the 2 Torx screws at the bottom of the center console. On the top of the center dash console, remove the 2 pop rivets with a small flathead screwdriver. Move to the other side of the vehicle to complete the same steps and remove the pins from the other side of the top center console. Remove the fuse and brake reservoir cover panel and remove the 2 Torx screws located at the top right and left. Fully remove the pop rivets from both sides of the center console. Under the dash between the steering wheel and center console, there is a pop rivet that is the last item securing the dash and center console. On the passenger side of the dashboard, you will want to remove the glove box lid by lifting up completely and pushing forward. Disconnect the diagnostic plug from the factory diagnostic plug holder located on the left side of the glove box. To fully loosen the center dash, you will need to push in firmly on the right side of the console. Once the center dash is loosened and lifted, you will want to take your main harness plug and connect it to the diagnostic plug. Start the hardware installation by getting your main module and RFID antenna and prepare for installation. As you can see, we have installed the 3M adhesive Velcro strips to the bottom of the module and RFID antenna. Make sure to untie the RFID radio antenna wires before securing. Make sure to clean the mounting surface area before adhering module and RFID antenna. Take your perimeter sensor module and attach 3M Velcro to the top side of the sensor. Now adhere the sensor to the underside of the dash plastic on the right side of the center console. Connect the perimeter sensor to the accessory harness, then plug the accessory harness into the center port of the main module. Have your remote ready and install the main harness plug into the large outside port on the module. The plug is watertight and very snug. The system will automatically arm after 5 to 10 seconds of connecting this plug. You will see the lock icon change from unlocked to locked and hear the 3 chirps from the alarm. Press the bottom button on the side of the remote for 1 second to disarm the system for the rest of the installation process. Congratulations! The installation is complete and you are now ready to reinstall the body panels of the vehicle. Stay tuned for the features and operations section of this video.